Hello humans, today is my day off and I'm cleaning brushes. I will show you two methods. The first one, it's a spot cleaning with the Perry and Spirit, and I have it depotted in this little spray bottle. I'm gonna take a little brush, actually, okay, spray it on a paper towel. If your sprayer bottle works. Oh, that's why it didn't work. So you can just do this instead and clean it up. The second method, and my preferred method, it's a deep clean for brushes, and I use alcohol to wipe down the handles to disinfect them. You can definitely use the 70% because the 91% evaporizes way too fast. I wipe down on the handle. Water is warm, and I'm using an antibacterial soap. Mine is Protex, but you can use any antibacterial soap of your preference. And just be mindful if you have any allergies to read the ingredients before using it. Clean them with back and forth motions. Be gentle, because if you're not gentle, your bristles are gonna lose the shape. With the chubbier brushes, the cream products are gonna go all the way to the handle. So that's where you're gonna find most of the product sitting. Wipe it again, back and forth motions. Don't do this. If you're doing the swirl motion, you are going to ruin in time the shape of your brush. Use your fingernail to clean deep, closer to the handle. I'm gonna repeat the same action because this is a foundation brush and it has a lot of product inside. Rinse them properly. And I have a double-ended one. Repeat the same action with back and forth motions. And you see already the product coming out from them. If you have the Smith brushes, the ladies from Smith Cosmetics have designed the handle to be antibacterial, so you don't have to wipe down the handle with the alcohol. Just wash it. They specially designed this for people that kind of skip this step. So this is how I'm drying the brushes. If you decide to use a dish rack as I did, please be mindful to place the bristles outside of the edge. If you choose to use a towel, like here, bristles outside all the time, because you are going to ruin the shape. by forcing them to dry in a different pattern than their natural shape is.